Welcome back to the channel. You got flowers.
I got flowers.
What did you get flowers for?
I passed my MOT'd too. I am fully fledged biker persons now, allowed on the road.
So
if only there was a fully working bike for me to go on.
Yeah. So we got loads to do on a motorcycle in there. Jules' bike is in a million pieces still. That bike that you said
it was going to be done by Sunday.
By Sunday evening. It is now Wednesday evening.
I played with your mum on Saturday.
Yeah, you did. You did do that. So we're about to head off because a certain little motorcycle dealership, a very old motorcycle dealership in Birmingham, who happens to be a MASH dealer as well as amongst other
Dude,
it
was meant to be. Passed on a Wednesday, and they do late night Wednesdays.
They do.
And the MASH needs a few gaskets.
Did it poorly.
It's poorly.
So what happened?
You bought me something that doesn't work.
It did work.
That makes me sound really ungrateful.
It did work when I bought it. What happened was somebody had it for a month.
I needed to practice to do the cones.
So you did slow speed practice.
Yeah.
And then you turned into a smoke machine.
That is what happened.
So why are you a smoke machine? What's going on?
My gaskets in the head gaskets in here and these gasket seals by the top of the exhaust are a little bit wear to tear. So we're going to go and we've got a little list of some gasket seals, haven't we? We're going to go and see if we could order them because that's more fun than doing it on the line.
Yep, so we're going to go to Chasman in Birmingham. So we'll jump on the Triumph.
In my new motorcycle hoodie, because my one now turned up.
It did.
Yours came before the Mally.
Like an advert for Road. We both look like adverts for Roadskin, but...
I am, but you know why? Because I really like their stuff.
They're great.
The t-shirts are so comfy, and this t-shirt now is like Lucky Charm t-shirt because this is what I passed my
motorcycle testing.
MOT'd 2 in.
Yep.
Yes, and they're just comfy. So yeah, going to try the jacket.
Unlike your boots, which we'll get to later.
Oh yeah, they've got a hole in, and I've not had them that long.
Big problem.
So Redskin, when you start making shoes,
let me know. So yeah, let's get over there. So we came out to buy motorcycle parts and we ended up at a bar that is an open mic night at the motorcycle dealer.
yeah,
That
because
is the only one local that supports your motorcycle.
Yes, because you didn't read the website. You just looked at Google, which said opens at 7.
Really nice place, a really cool vibe to it.
Yeah.
Nice little open mic night. Everybody seems really, really friendly. And now you've got to phone up and come back.
Yes, but I am working in Birmingham tomorrow, so could come after work.
Get the bits for the MASH. We're going to head home. We've got loads of stuff to do on Jules' bike. We're going to get your parts, fix your bike, so you can actually get on the road.
Yep.
And
but it was a nice something different to do, something to celebrate the day.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
because I did a thing.
you did do a thing.
I did a thing.
But I think definitely come back here. We could come for like a proper night, just chill
Yeah.
out.
Try some food.
Yeah. Let's go home. You see, this is the next part of the video.
The next part.
And what we like to do is spend our evenings relaxing in the garden, getting locked out your mobile banking.
Who got locked out the mobile banking?
Well, you're going to have no thumbprint, are you? Remember last time?
I do remember last time. You told me this time was going to be different. You said you was doing the sanding and I didn't have to do any this time.
This is Emily's token bit of sanding. She spent all evening dilly-dallying about in the garden.
No one's going to believe you. They're all on my side.
I know. What's your cup?
It's my biker cup. My friend bought it me.
Yeah. So we're going to get this done.
Though.
We're going to get this done.
Yeah.
And then get the seals done and get them on the bike.
Tonight? Yeah.
So Emily's not here at the moment, it is another day. I have spent all morning basically getting the engine cases all cleaned up and ready for the outer cases to go on. So all the old gasket material's off and these are all polished up. We've spent all week on these and I'm really happy with how they've come out. So what I do need to do, where the alternator wiring comes out of this case and the ignition pickup on the crankcases, there's a little bit of gasket since gone there. I always use this motor seal. This was recommended by Jared and it's brilliant for putting fuel taps in, all sorts. It's fuel resistant, oil resistant. It's really easy to work with and nothing leaks when you use it. But what I have found, I ordered a gasket set for this engine. I've just opened it. I'm really unimpressed. I'll find out where I got it from because I can't remember right now, and I'll put it on the screen. But the gaskets, they're like tissue paper. I mean, if you're in dire straits and you really needed to use one, it'd probably go. I mean, it fits the case well, but it's really, really thin. Now, fortunately, being who I am, I happen to have a spare one for my bike, and there's another one on the shelf over there. What I don't have is a spare clutch cover gasket, so I'm going to use the one that I ordered for my bike, and I've just ordered one in, so that'll be ready for when I put the cams in. But yeah, I just need to grease this gasket up and we'll get it on the bike, and hopefully we'll start to see what this thing looks like as it's going back together. Yeah, so whenever I do one of these, take the gasket, just the tiniest bit of grease. It's more for the next person really. I mean, it puts a bit of longevity in the gasket, stops it from pinching up in places, but it also means it doesn't generally tend to stick to the cases. We take a little bit of this, so you don't need masses. We just apply it in here. So you can see there on the engine there is a slot where the ignition pickup wiring comes out. So we just put another nice little bead there. And we also want just a tiny little amount just on the joint where the crankcases meet. Be mindful because it's quite a hefty magnet. So when it goes to go on, it will want to pull quite quickly. But there we are, up and in place. So that's job done. Quite happy with how that's come out. I think it's starting to look quite good. I might want to keep it. However, on the bench I do have the clutch cover, and I was just done all the cleaning of it. I was getting it prepped, and then I remembered somebody said they wanted to see how you change the rotary seal. Now we're going to do that as part of the course because we've got it all apart. So I've got one on the bench and a new O-ring for the breather, so let's go and fit that. So I've got my nice new rotary seal here. I've got the O-ring here for the breather, and I just started to lever this out and then realised I wanted to show this on the channel. So it's really, really straightforward. You just literally just prise that out and then tap the new one in till it's flush, pull the bung out the centre, grease it, case goes on, everything's good. So let's get that seal out of that nice little aperture. So what I'm doing is taking a nice piece of cloth just to rest where you're easing down and just start to tease the seal out. That's it. Straight out, just like that. Then we want to clean that all down in there. A lot of debris. Get all that out of there. Nice and clean. Especially on that platform, because that's where the seal's going to sit down against. Shiny new seal, like so. A washer that fits over there just to stop us marring up the seal. We're just going to tease that in, nice and steady. centerpiece. And that is rotary seal changed out. You're back.
I am back, and I have come back to show and tell.
Yeah, because I've done lots while you've done nothing.
I have been out. I took Nana out shopping.
Socialising. You have been doing things. Don't say it's not socialising. You were very social with your nan, usually with like a clear bottle of something. And 2 glasses.
But you know, she doesn't have normal glasses for water. I asked her for a glass of water and she offered me a wine glass to put it in.
Well.
But I did take her shopping. I took one for the team today.
So the alternator cover is on. We now need to put the starter motor back in and build up the
But
gears.
Look, guys, I have rubbed off on Joe because he's been cleaning. Look how clean this is.
It's all clean. Look, we've got the new seal in, new O-ring, new seal for the gear selector. So that's all ready to go.
Part of your show and tell, though,
Don't wreck it.
I'm not wrecking it. Chime in. Part of your show and tell, just though, is you want to show these guys as well, don't you?
I've already told them.
You told them already?
You just weren't here.
Oh.
You're late to the party. But they are terrible, aren't they?
Look at it.
What would you do with it?
It's almost reminding me of, there's a funky, like an egg box kind of cardboard.
Yeah.
But I do think an egg box has probably got a bit more
Like a Cheerios packet in it.
stability about it.
Yeah. So we're going to get this on and carry on building. Now remember, you don't have to take the starter motor out.
To fit the safe start?
Yep.
No, you don't, but we were replacing it anyway, weren't we?
Yep.
Because that's what we do.
One pin.
How far away are we from this bike making a noise?
What kind of noise? The crashing when it falls off these axle stands.
Oh, we've already had that noise.
The turning over noise, or the actual engine running noise, or anything in between. What noise do you want?
The hopeful sound of it, like,
Trying to be a motorbike.
yeah, rather than motorbones. Do you enjoy lying on the floor in here?
I'm quite good at it. I've done it before. Okay. 1, 2.
Do you just automatically know the torque figure to this? Have you done this enough?
Yep. It's always an awkward one to wind up this torrent.
It's alright, take time.
I am.
Oh, that was a nice little click.
Yeah, we have a start motor. Amongst the mess, which one do you think we're fitting?
The cleaner one of the two.
It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not good.
Yeah, let's get him in place. Now, we did show somebody how to do this job.
Show somebody?
Yeah,
Who was somebody?
somebody on the internet.
Oh, is this the you showed Bonnie Adventures?
Yeah.
Right, it's out.
Cool. So
There we go.
your copper washer is probably stuck to your
It is.
banjo fitting on the. So if you look underneath between the throttle bodies now,
Yeah.
on the flexi hose that goes up, you'll probably find your 2 copper washers are stuck there.
Yeah. So you're on your holiday,
Yeah.
having a video chat
Yep.
to try and help out Triumph Bonnie Adventures and
the
get into
DJI.
the DJI.
Yeah. The power of the internet.
Power of the internet.
Right by the sea.
Right by the sea. I'm going to show people what your view is.
Got people working in the kitchen.
You've got people working in his kitchen. He's very trusting of you, isn't he?
I know. Right.
Just on the tip of the blue flame, yeah.
Science.
Science is happening.
Yeah, this is so weird. You know what? This is a whole other level of DIY biking.
It's important to have both washers though.
Oh, that stressed you out, didn't it? You didn't rest for the rest of the day.
No, there definitely was only one. I was like, you sure? Yeah, there was definitely only one. And then he said, oh, it leaks. Where's the other one? There was definitely only one. There wasn't only one, was there? Because he found the other one. There you go.
There you go. They're not
One.
torque figures.
Probably. Calibrated elbow. Don't lean on it.
I'm not going to lean on it. I nearly did. Nearly like...
But the engine's in.
In.
It's complete.
Mm-hmm.
We've got the exhaust to do tomorrow. And the intake. Then we need to rebuild the carbs.
Yep.
But the frame's all back together. He's talking up, but it's not a million miles away. I think.
It's not. Can we put the wheels on tomorrow? Is that doable? Because then it's movable. Oh, I've made a face happen.
Yeah. We'll have to look at them seals. Wheel bearing seals. But we could always revisit them, couldn't we?
Mm-hmm.
After. But yeah, so it could actually go back on its wheels tomorrow.
Because I'm just thinking, like, if it's movable, it just makes it a bit
Yeah.
easier.
But, well, quite nice. Quite like
Yeah.
it with the polish covers
Looks good.
on the top. Yeah.
Better than what turned up. We'll have to... I always lose sight, so we'll have to go back and, like, have
Yeah.
a look at what it was like when it turned up.
So we've got a bit of going over, get the box cleaned up and stuff and all that back in, but could be a big day tomorrow.
Mm, yeah.
Hopefully it ends up in this video, or it might be a we pause because this is Saturday night and this is
No,
coming out.
I wouldn't put any more in this video because if we do a lot tomorrow and we get quite far and it goes in tomorrow's video, what are we doing next week? So we'll spread it out.
Okay.
And we'll just be ahead of ourselves.
Yep.
Because tomorrow's give out a rainy day, so yeah, workshop day.
Okay. On that note then,
I'm in bed.
thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff.
Mhm.
You've had some more stickers you've been posting out all over the place.
Yeah.
In the
Sent some
US?
stickers out. Yeah, although I'm not sure I got the order completely right, so I'm going to have a look and might send another one just
Yeah.
for peace of mind.
But yeah, thank you for everybody that's supporting
Oh, 100%.
in the comments, and you've had like bumper people coming on Instagram for your motorcycle stuff saying well done and
Yeah,
that sort of thing.
really supportive. It's been a good week.
You just need to get your bike out.
Yep, we do. But you know, there's some crappy BSAs, Triumphs and
I'll leave
other
that alone.
bits in the way, like tater bike can't get out.
Yeah, that's the excuse she's making. See you in the next one.